Y'all know what it is. First things first, you know, it's JJ again, back at it. You know what we do every Monday, where we always start off the week, man. Monday, I always want to thank everybody who subscribed over the weekend, all the people who's been messaging me, all you guys feedback. I appreciate all you guys. That's first things first, what we always do on Monday. We thank you guys. If it wasn't for you guys, you know, the channel wouldn't keep going. But I appreciate everybody who's been subscribing over the weekend. I appreciate everybody's feedback and stuff like that. Thank you guys. You guys are so important to this channel, and I hope we keep growing and you guys keep staying with the journey. Let's get to it. Appreciate you guys. Oh, we gotta go to the auction, man. See if they got my car unlocked for me, man. You know, try to pick it up Saturday and have it unlocked. Look at that. Got him with me. Look at that. Looking like a half decent human being today. Let's see. They got any cars left over, man, that I can make a price on?
What y'all doing out here? They ain't doing SHI.
Nothing.
They ain't doing shit.
Ain't nothing to do.
Nothing. Just sit back.
Just sit back.
Sit
and
back.
wait.
Wait on us to come get one of these lemons and run out.
Go ahead. And more than one, get a whole lot.
Oh man, look at that. All these cars that either they didn't sell or nobody ain't even picked them up yet. In my case, I haven't picked up my car yet. Picked up one, but my other car was locked. So I had to wait till today to see if they gonna have it unlocked for me. But yeah, look at all those cars. That most of them, I think most of these cars probably was no sale. I think, yeah, because all those over there was no sale. They put all the sold ones in this line. See all the sold ones that have an S on it. So these are all sold. So those are either no sales or, yeah, more than likely no sales and arbitrations. So, you know, people be wanting all the money for these prices, man. People, you know, I was seeing the prices of these cars already so expensive. Nobody was going down on the prices. Everybody was wanting all the money for the prices. Like these Suburbans and Tahoes was going through the roof. I think that one went for like $3,500. You know, it is a Z71. This Honda right here, this one for $1,300. I mean, it's got 167,000 miles, but you know, that's still a lot for a Honda. That, you know, prices are just up there. Yeah. They get my van unlocked, man. Y'all see this nice little Nissan Quest van, man. I had a person that kept asking me for a van. Said they had $1,500 for a van. So, you know, I went out there and I found them a van. And hopefully they like it. You know, got good tires, clean all the way around. So, you know, if somebody got a little bit of money, you don't never, you know, if they got a little, it's just somebody I know. I hope they didn't get my van unlocked. Or the interior is pretty decent. Tires are good. You know, good all the way around. Little crack in the windshield, but we ain't worried about that. But let's get to the lot. Let's find somebody to get this open for me. Got the van clean. You know, I'm at my favorite spot here at this lovely little church that's down the street from my lot. It just makes the vehicle look so good when I take pictures. I mean, the vehicle already looks good itself, but it makes look good already. One thing I wanted to start doing, I don't know if you guys let me know if you guys think this will work or not. On the vehicles that I'm gonna start with the vehicles that I sell, and I'm gonna start listing on Facebook Marketplace. I'm gonna do a little small, like a little, maybe like a 2-minute little walk around of the vehicle, a little start up and walk around of the vehicle, and discuss a little bit about the vehicle, and then I'll put the link to that vehicle in the description along with everything I post about the car. So when people, you know, click on the car to check it out, I mean, to click on the ad, the link will be right there, so then they can see the car up close in person. You know, because, you know, when you're selling cars, you always get a lot of questions like, oh, what's wrong with it, oh, how's the tires, how's this, and how's that. So what I want to do, this is gonna be probably the first vehicle that I tried out on, because this one's already clean and stuff like that. It was bought like that, it's clean, as well taken care of. But I want to just, you know, do a little walk around of this, you know, just a little walk around a little startup and walk around to show the people, like, you know, I'll get in there, you know, I'm gonna sweep it out, you know, before I do all this. You know, I want to get in there, put the key in, show them that it starts right up, show them that there's no service, it's no service lights on, only light on is the ABS light, you know. Then, you know, pop it open. You know, it is missing the second row seat. I'm gonna go try and check at a salvage yard and see if I can find the second row seat. But if it's not there, then I don't want to get it if it's not leather, because I don't want to put cloth in there. As you can see, it has a drop down DVD player. AC is blowing cold, so, you know, hey, you know. But I'm gonna just do a little walk around. So you guys let me know below what y'all guys think of me doing a little walk around, little 2-minute presentation of each vehicle that I have up and ready for sale. I'm gonna try it out with this vehicle and then see how it catches on from there. If it does well, I'll keep doing it. If not, then I'll stop. But, you know, this will probably be like I said, this will be the first vehicle that I do with it. So, but I also want you guys' feedback as well. Let me know below. I'm out. Peace. Let's go. Let's get to it. Look at that. Gotta take my converter over here, see how much they're gonna give me for it, you know. Y'all see my little hoopty, that little Cavalier that broke down on me the other day. So, you know, what you do is you take as much stuff off there as possible to try to make as much of most of your money back. So we're gonna take this converter around here, see what they give me for a converter. Then I'm gonna take the battery out of there. I already took 2 tires off of there. So, you know, we're about to see what they gonna give us for it. Oh yeah, we riding in my little hoopty over here. Riding in the little bucket. You know, let's go over here. Well, we took it right here. It's placed right here. Metal check. It's literally around the corner from my dealership, you know. So hey, you can't beat it. I mean, they gave me $100. As you can see, they gave me $100. So hey, you know, already made half my money back on it. So hey, you know, you can't complain. Now I'm gonna go call LKQ, see how much LKQ gonna give me for it, and then maybe make all my money back. You know, so basically I didn't even lose any. Got me 2 tires and a battery for my Camaro. So let me hop in my little bucket. I don't want to start without the door closed. All right, let's get to it. Bought to the little hoopty, man. It's been back there. It didn't ran this course, you know. Took the converter over there, got 100 for the converter. Y'all gonna find out tomorrow what LKQ is giving me for this thing. You know, it's in rough shape. You know, I took the 2 good tires off of this side. I put them on my little bucket up front. So, you know, hey, it is what it is. You ain't gonna win on all the cars. You know, it is what it is. But, you know, hey, I didn't lose, really. I didn't lose. So basically, you know, bought the car for 2 tires and a battery. If you want to look at it like that. So sometimes you don't look at it as a loss. You look at it, hey, like, what did you end up accomplishing out of there? So we're gonna tune in tomorrow and let you guys know what LKQ give me for it. We already took the converter over there. I don't know if y'all can see it from all the way over here. But metal check is right over there. So I'm on 59th, they're on like 61st. They're like literally like 2 blocks over there. So, you know, they're right there. I mean, now we're both on 59. They're on like 50, I'll say 58, because they're like a block on behind me. So they're like right there. They gave me $100 for the converter. LKQ gonna give me a little bit of money for it. I got the battery, 2 tires. So hey, man, you know, ain't all bad. But you know, I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Today is just Monday, you know, just getting the week started. You know, I have my dad here with me, you know, getting some more cars ready, you know. Got my van ready. Little Sunfire, about to clean up the little Ford. Got the little Cobalt right there. So we getting some more stuff. We're going, and so some other cars are getting worked on, and we're gonna bring them in. What I'm gonna start doing is all the cars that's ready, I'm gonna line them up on this side. I need to get my grass cut, so have my yard man come tomorrow and cut that. But all the cars that's ready, I'm gonna line them up over here. I'm gonna move my 2 old school cars to behind the box truck, or probably move the box truck back there some more. Then all the cars that's not ready, they're gonna be lined up on this side. As you can see, we're a little empty right now with cars, so though, hey, it is what it is, you know. Some cars are at the shop, some cars are getting worked on. So we'll have more cars, but yeah, the ones that's not ready, we're gonna line them up over here on this side, and the ones that's ready, we're gonna line them up on this side. But you know, I appreciate you guys and everybody for tuning in with me. If you haven't already, drop a like on this video, drop any comments or questions you have below. Like I said, LKQ will be picking up that little Cavalier tomorrow, so y'all see what they give me for that. And we'll do some other stuff tomorrow, do a little bit more ripping and running. It's already hot right now, but hey, appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'm out. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow. Peace.